दो चार टिप्स अपने पर्पस को डिस्कवर करने के लिए सबको बताते जाइए, इसके बाद हम अपने सेशन को।
आई वुड से गिव योर सेल्फ टाइम टू ब्लूम। एक एक पेड़ भी एक दिन में खड़ा नहीं होता। अगर आपने बीज बोया है तो मे बी फल कोई और भी खा सकता है, राइट? सो गिव योर टाइम टू ब्लूम, do not rush. There has been so many reels going on ki do not rush, but what people don't understand is they actually don't have to rush for their passion or their purpose. But yes, if you like to do something, अगर आपकी एक हॉबी भी है, आपकी कोई लाइकिंग भी है, keep doing it. You never know, someday you might have that perfection in that, because आप consistently कर रहे हो ना, तो consistency maintain रखो अपनी, right? And do not compare your life. My life and Gauri's life is not same, right? She has spoken at bigger platforms than me, right? So I would not compare that. I'm happy for her. So do not compare your life. अगर आपकी पांचों उंगलियां सेम नहीं है तो आपकी लाइफ और सामने वाले की लाइफ भी सेम नहीं है। उसको पर्पस नहीं पता लेकिन मुझे पता है, या उसको भी पता और मुझे भी पता है, डिफरेंट स्टेज पे पता चला, राइट? सो इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. So don't rush, don't compare, and मतलब I would say don't talk much about it कि हाय मुझे नहीं मालूम मेरा purpose, मेरा passion. It is something that you have to do a self introspection. You can have one or two mentors in your life, who can guide you without judging you. It's very important to get that non-judgmental approach, because मेरे केस में अगर मैं देखूं तो बहुत लोग ये बोलने वाले भी बैठे थे कि why men, you are a young lad, why men? But then I got the right mentor who said, why not men, Vaishali? They need you, they can open up to you, so why not men? So do not don't judge, and don't judge your own self, your own powers, because you have enormous, tremendous powers. Everyone is born with that, and you will not die before understanding your purpose. Let me tell you. I was just reading the story of a man who gave up his bed for a young person during COVID, and he died peacefully. But that was his purpose. He saved another life. He said ki I am old, I wouldn't be able to add much to the society, but he has a long life, and he has a long purpose in his life, so let me give it to him. So he fulfilled his purpose of saving another life, right? So you never know, your purpose might emerge out in weird ways in front of you.